Kokuyo Jibun Techo offers a unique approach to planners. Rather than being limited to a single calendar year, it's designed to help you set goals and keep track of your progress your whole life. Keep watching to see the 2021 lineup, including the new Jibun Techo Days. What is the Jibun Techo? The Jibun Techo is a 3-in-1 planner system consisting of 3 booklets: Diary, Life, and Idea. The Diary booklet is where you plan your day-to-day events. It features a vertical weekly layout filled with thoughtful details like a to-do list and a weather tracker. The new Jibun Techo Days is the only diary booklet that offers a daily layout instead of a weekly one. We'll show you more details on the days later in the video. The Life booklet is meant for recording important dates and chronicling life events. The Idea booklet is ideal for jotting down thoughts, ideas, and even recipes. For an in-depth look at the 3 booklets, read our comprehensive guide linked in the card above. All of the booklets are available in Japanese, but the headers, months, and days of the week are all in English. For an English translation of the Japanese parts, check out our other guide, which we've also linked in the card above. Let's take a look at this year's covers and kits for the Jibun Techo. Standard. The first kit's standard cover is a great choice for beginners or those who want to get the full Jibun Techo experience. For 2021, you can choose from these colors in A5 Slim and these colors in B6 Slim. It has everything you need: all 3 booklets and a clear matte soft cover with a colored insert printed with a year. The kit also includes a ruler with an elastic band that keeps the cover secured. If you're just looking for a planner, you can opt for the standard cover, which only includes the diary booklet. Here are the available colors in A5 Slim and B6 Slim. Unlike the standard cover, the pale cover is opaque and slightly shimmering. Choose between 2 A5 Slim colors or 2 B6 Slim colors. Like the standard cover, it only comes with a diary booklet. All standard diaries use Kokuyo thin paper, which is resistant to bleed through and pairs well with fountain pens, markers, and more. Biz. The Biz is made with the working professional in mind. It has opaque covers that come in matte shades for a classy look in both A5 Slim and B6 Slim sizes. The interior pages also feature subdued colors. The Biz uses fast-drying and super smooth Kokuyo Mio paper. It's a joy to use with all writing instruments. Lite. The Lite is a compact alternative to the standard. It comes only in B6 Slim and 4 color choices. The cover is integrated so it can be used as is. The Lite offers a simplified layout by combining Gantt charts with monthly calendars. Like the standard, the Lite diary uses Kokuyo thin paper. Days. The Days is the newest addition to the Jibun Techo series. It's available in 4 colors in B6 Slim. At first glance, it looks like the standard Jibun Techo, but instead of a weekly spread, it devotes 1 day to each page. The hours of the day are marked in the center, dividing it in half with the left side featuring checkboxes to make lists. For easy reference, there's a calendar at the top of each page and a full monthly calendar on the bottom of the page on the right. Each month has an index page where you can set goals and later reflect on the month. The Days is split into 2 booklets that each span 6 months, January to June and July to December. Each one is almost the same thickness as a regular diary booklet. The beginning of each booklet has an annual schedule, pages for listing goals and events for the year, a 100 wishes list, and several blank lists that you can customize freely. The January to June booklet includes monthly spreads for July through December, so you can write in plans that are scheduled early on. The July through December booklet includes the first 2 months of 2022, plus a section dedicated to looking back on the year. How to use the Jibun Techo Days. Now that you're familiar with the Jibun Techo, we'll go more into depth about how to use the Days. To see how we use the other planner types, click the card above. College students or young professionals who feel overwhelmed by Jibun Techo's weekly spread will love the Jibun Techo Days. Not only can you use it to jot down homework assignments or project deadlines, you can also track habits with ease. Because hours go down the center of the page, you can use one half of the page to schedule group project meetings, meals, and other time-sensitive events, and dedicate the other half to memos or checklists. The annual schedule is great for writing down exam dates, holidays, and appointments. Jibun Techo accessories. Kokuyo offers a variety of accessories that you can pair with your Jibun Techo, including index tabs, shitajiki or pencil boards, sticky notes, templates, and zipper cases. Read our comprehensive guide for a closer look at these accessories. You can also buy a cover for your Jibun Techo. This year, there are 3 new covers available in these beautiful, subtle colors. They feature interior slots and a pen loop for keeping your accessories together. Which Jibun Techo are you planning on using? Let us know in the comments below. Shop the Jibun Techo 2021 lineup at JetPens.com. Thanks for watching!